Welcome to Science and Health Hub TV, your source for science-backed health tips and natural wellness solutions. Today, we're exploring a question more people are asking. Can coconut oil be used as a natural lubricant? The answer is yes, and it's not just a trendy alternative. Coconut oil is gaining popularity for its smooth texture, natural moisturizing properties, and skin-friendly profile. But it's not ideal for everyone or every situation. We'll break down why people use coconut oil as a lubricant, the health benefits and possible risks, how to use it safely, who should avoid it, and what science says. Coconut oil is a natural oil extracted from the meat of mature coconuts. It's solid at room temperature, but melts easily on contact with skin, making it ideal for a variety of personal uses, from skincare to cooking to intimate lubrication. It contains healthy saturated fats, including lauric acid, which gives it antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. Here's why many people prefer coconut oil over store-bought lubricants. It's natural, no synthetic ingredients or preservatives. It's long-lasting, doesn't dry out quickly. It's moisturizing, can help soothe dry or sensitive skin. It's cost-effective. A little goes a long way. It's edible, safe for oral sex. Some people also report increased comfort, reduced irritation, and less friction during intimacy when using coconut oil. Before you reach for that jar, here are some important facts you should know. Coconut oil is not compatible with latex condoms. It can break down latex, increasing the risk of condom failure and STIs. If you use condoms, opt for non-latex options like polyurethane or switch to a water or silicone-based lubricant. It may disrupt vaginal pH balance in some women. While many tolerate it well, others may experience yeast infections or irritation, especially if they're prone to sensitivities. It can stain fabric. Like most oils, it can leave marks on sheets or underwear. Not everyone's skin reacts the same way. Always do a patch test first. Apply a small amount to your inner arm or thigh, and wait 24 hours to check for any allergic reaction. Use organic, unrefined, cold-pressed coconut oil. This ensures it's free from chemical additives and retains its natural antimicrobial properties. If it's solid, scoop a small amount and rub it between your fingers. It melts quickly and is safe to apply directly to the skin or genital area. Start with a pea-sized amount. You can apply it directly to yourself or your partner, depending on the activity. Coconut oil lasts longer than water-based lubricants, but you can reapply for added comfort if needed. Several studies confirm the antibacterial and antifungal effects of coconut oil, particularly due to lauric acid. This can be helpful for general skin health and preventing certain irritations. A 2013 study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that coconut oil was effective against Candida albicans, the fungus responsible for most yeast infections. However, science hasn't fully evaluated coconut oil as a sexual lubricant, so much of the evidence is anecdotal, based on user experience rather than clinical trials. Still, thousands of people use it with great results. You may want to avoid or be cautious with coconut oil if you're using latex condoms. You have a history of yeast infections or sensitive vaginal flora. You have a coconut allergy or oily skin prone to breakouts. You're undergoing fertility treatments. Always consult your doctor. Always use clean hands or tools to scoop coconut oil to prevent contamination. Store your jar in a cool, dry place. Avoid dipping into it after touching genitals. Consider using a separate jar for intimate use. So, can you use coconut oil as a natural lubricant? Absolutely. If used correctly and in the right context. It's smooth, gentle, long-lasting, and natural, but not without risks. Listen to your body, avoid latex condoms, and always choose high-quality, unrefined coconut oil. If you've tried using coconut oil this way, let us know your experience in the comments. Every body is different, and your feedback helps others learn too. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Science and Health Hub TV, and hit the bell icon for more safe, science-backed wellness tips. Thanks for watching. And as always, stay curious and stay healthy.